All right, Red Dog's back. We got a couple more jumpers. One of them's the first time jumper. Let's see it. All right. Let's see it.
Levi, you can't take the bite. You gotta run and go. Run and go. You won't let Jackson first? Down to 3. There you go.
Ooh. Good jump, buddy. Good jump. You should have had your arms to your side.
Yeah. Yeah, I should.
Hey. He's thinking about doing a flip. His mom didn't want him to, but I think he's going to. He's a little scared to do it. He's did it off a couple jumps, he said, but never nothing this high. Oh. There you go. Do it just like that.
Yeah. Do double.
It's Jackson. He's a little scared. There he goes. Yeah! Good one! Good one, Jackson. Good one. Hey, that was almost perfect.
That knocked the wind out of me. Jackson, go get it.
All right, Red Dog. Red Dog's out.